Ever walked into a home that felt different? Not just clean, but alive, breezy, peaceful, like the walls had their own rhythm. That's the Amish way. No fancy sprays, no chemical fog, just old wisdom, quiet hands, and natural secrets that keep everything sparkling. Today, on Rustic Pantry, we're unlocking those hidden methods. Real Amish cleaning tips. Honest, simple, powerful. Stay close, because what you're about to hear might change the way you clean forever. 1. The Amish way, a different kind of clean. Step inside an Amish home, and the difference hits you quietly. It's not loud, it's not dramatic, but it's there. The air feels lighter. The floors shine without that artificial gloss. No lemony chemical scents drifting through the rooms. Just freshness, pure and calm. They don't clean to impress guests. They clean because it's part of their rhythm. Each object has a purpose. Each surface is cared for. No corner is overlooked. Cleaning is stitched into their daily lives like threads in a handmade quilt. There's discipline in the way they sweep, care in the way they wipe down wood. They trust methods passed through generations. Nothing rushed, nothing forced. Just honest, steady work that leaves homes gleaming in a quiet, grounded way. 2. Declutter first, clean later. The Amish don't attack mess with sprays right away. They start by removing what doesn't belong. One shelf, one corner, one drawer at a time. Slowly, intentionally, they understand something simple yet powerful. Clutter collects dust. It hides grime. It delays real cleaning. So before the broom moves, hands move first. They fold, sort, put away. If an item has no purpose, it's gone. No sentimentality for broken plastic or forgotten gadgets. The less you have, the less you clean. That's their quiet logic. Imagine clearing your table fully before wiping it. No plates stacked. No cups to push aside, just a smooth surface ready to shine. That's how they do it. And honestly, it works better than you'd think. 3. White vinegar, the Amish secret weapon. Forget fancy bottles lined up in the cabinet. Amish homes often have one simple solution: white vinegar. It's sharp, it's pure, it's cheap, and it works like magic. They mix it with warm water, sometimes a hint of baking soda, if the surface demands a little extra bite. Windows become streak-free. Mirrors reflect like they're brand new. Counters lose that greasy layer. Faucets sparkle, and the air smells clean, not perfumed. Vinegar cuts through the mess quietly but thoroughly. It's not glamorous, but it's timeless. Amish women trust it because it never fails. And unlike chemical cleaners, it doesn't leave residue behind. No sticky surfaces, no headaches from strong smells. Just honest cleaning power straight from a humble bottle. 4. Baking soda, gentle power in a simple box. Baking soda looks like nothing special, just a fine white powder in a plain box. But don't underestimate it. In Amish kitchens, it's a quiet hero. Sinks that dull over time? A sprinkle of baking soda, a gentle scrub, and they shine again. Burnt pans? Let it sit overnight with a bit of water. Stains soften, almost melt away. Fridge smelling weird? A bowl of baking soda absorbs the odor like magic. It's mild but mighty. Amish homemakers rely on it because it's safe. No gloves needed, no warning labels. Kids can help without fear. They use old cloths, steady strokes, patient hands. There's something real about the way they work. No rushing, just trusting the material. Baking soda doesn't mask dirt. It lifts it, and that's why it's a staple. 5. Tools that last, not break. Plastic spray bottles. Fragile feather dusters. Battery-powered gadgets. None of that really exists in a traditional Amish cleaning kit. Their tools are built to last. Wooden brushes with strong bristles. Straw brooms tied by hand. Thick rags cut from old clothes. Each tool has history, a story. They aren't replaced every month. They're cared for, washed, hung to dry, used again. You can almost hear the sound of straw sweeping wood floors early in the morning. No buzzing machines, just rhythm. Cleaning becomes more than a task. It's almost like a slow ritual. These tools don't just clean the house. They carry memories of hands that worked before. Generations who believed in making things last. 6. Daily routines that keep mess away. Here's where the Amish truly shine. They don't wait for Saturday to clean the whole house. They clean every day, bit by bit, quietly, naturally. Mornings sweep before breakfast. Counters wiped after each meal. Rugs shaken outside before dust settles in. It's built into their rhythm. No panic cleaning before guests arrive. No all-day scrubbing marathons. By tackling little tasks daily, the big mess never happens. Their homes never fall into chaos. It's like tending a garden. A little every day keeps the weeds away. Amish families work together too. Kids learn early. Everyone plays a part. That's why their homes always look settled. Not forced, just clean because it's their way of living. 7. Air and sunlight. Nature's cleaners. No air fresheners. No chemical sprays. Just windows thrown wide open. Curtains pulled back. Light floods the rooms. Fresh air sweeps through hallways. It's natural and powerful. Sunlight kills bacteria silently. Airflow clears moisture, odor, and that closed feeling. Amish families take rugs outside, hang quilts over fences, beat out dust with strong arms. Let the breeze do its job. You can smell the difference. A home that breathes doesn't need perfume. It needs openness. Modern homes rely on machines to freshen air. Amish homes rely on nature. And honestly, it works better than most gadgets. 8. Kitchen mastery, cleaning while living. The kitchen in an Amish home is the heart of it all. Meals cooked from scratch. Big families. Busy hands. And yet, the kitchen never feels chaotic because they clean as they live. Spills wiped immediately. Dishes washed side by side while conversations flow. Counters never left sticky overnight. Water heated for proper scrubbing. Wooden surfaces polished with oil to protect their beauty. They don't let things sit. It's a constant flow, cook, clean, repeat. Without resentment, without rushing. This rhythm keeps the kitchen always ready, always warm. You walk in any time, and it feels alive but ordered. That's their secret, not speed, consistency. 9. Bedrooms and living spaces, calm through order. Amish bedrooms are not cluttered. Beds are made tight every morning, clothes folded neatly, floors swept daily, even if it doesn't look dirty. They believe order brings peace. Living spaces are minimal. No piles of forgotten stuff. No tangled wires or scattered trinkets. Each item has its place, and if it doesn't stay long. Families often tidy up together in the evening. A quick sweep, a straightening of chairs, a folding of blankets. It's quiet work, but it sets the mood for the night. The result? Spaces that feel calm, grounded, like they hold silence well. 10. A mindset that changes everything. At the core, it's not just about vinegar or brooms. It's mindset. The Amish see cleaning not as a burden, but as respect. For their space, for the people inside it. It's part of living well. Their methods may look simple, but they carry weight. Intention, discipline. Modern cleaning often tries to rush, to find shortcuts, but their way is slower, real. It builds habits that last. A clean home for them isn't about shine alone. It's about peace. And once you understand that, your home starts to change too. Not instantly, but slowly, steadily, like a quiet morning. And there you have it, the quiet power behind Amish cleaning. No rush, no clutter, no chemicals, just rhythm, simplicity, and care stitched into everyday life. If even one of these tips finds a place in your home, you'll feel the difference. Slowly, naturally. This isn't just about cleaning. It's about living with intention. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to follow Rustic Pantry. More stories, more old secrets, all waiting for you. Till next time, keep it simple, keep it real.